Okay, we're back. It's springtime, we're spring cleaning. I'm covered in junk and we're gonna clean this oven behind me. It's really gross, I haven't cleaned it in years. So we got some new gadgets, we got a new camera. We're testing out a new picture profile on that. More about that later. Let's go. Okay, we're testing our new gadget. This is the Bissell Steam Shot. It's supposed to clean grime, disinfect 99% of germs. That's my dog barking in the background, followed by a screaming child. So we're gonna make this quick. We're gonna dive into it and clean that oven.
Yes, the Jedi's strength flows from the Force. But beware of the dark side. Anger, fear, aggression. The dark side of the Force are they. Easily they flow. Perfect to implement. If once you start down the dark path forever, when the fate of destiny consume you, it will.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power! Don't try it!
If you end your training now, if you choose the quick and easy path, as Vader did, you will become an agent of evil.
I'm giving her all she's got, Captain! If I push it any harder, the whole thing will blow!
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
So overall, I think this thing's pretty good. However, it's not enough to clean the oven door. The grease is just too caked on. I tried the scrubber, I tried the scraper, and just blasting it on its own, not enough. So we switched off to the, what do you call it? The Dawn Power Shot. Tried that out, it worked pretty good. We did baking soda on the one side, and they did about the same. The only difference was the baking soda we had to sit for half an hour. The power shot was about 10-15 minutes, about half the time. But even with both of those, it's still kind of dirty. So I'm giving up for today, and I'll see you next time with some recipes. Boo.